Hey guys, welcome to another video. This one's going to be kind of nice and sweet, kind of a walk around part 2, if you will. I think I've done enough to my truck and I've owned my truck long enough to show you guys again what I've done to personalize my Tacoma, make it feel like my own truck. Let's jump into it. We're going to jump into the front end to start. We're going to start down here with these fog lights. I've made an install video. Go check those out down in the description below. Every video I've done on this truck is going to be in the description. I picked out the yellow fog lights because when I go off-roading, I want to be able to see in the harsh conditions as well as the dust that's in front of me. If my buddy's going down the road, I can cut through that dust, as well as have terrain recognition in front of me for the dips in the roads, the potholes in the rocks and things like that. Anyway, let's go ahead and jump into these headlights. I think these headlights have a super mean off-road, very nice look to them. When I was looking at headlights to pick out for my truck, those are the ones I decided to go with because I felt like they were me, right? They were going to work great for my truck and for what I wanted this truck to look like in the end and throughout this channel. To go along with lighting, there's also my 32-inch aux beam light bar that's nice and hidden down there. I really like that it's hidden down there. I don't like those light bars that are stuck on people's roofs or hoods or anything like that. But that's me, right? That's what I personally chose to make my light bar look like, and I really like it. I think it looks great. The next thing that I've done to personalize my truck is this TRD Pro grill. It's a knockoff that I got from Tacoma Beast. The headlights I got from Tacoma Beast as well as my rear lights. This grill is super sexy. I mean, come on, it's so much better than the grill they had stock with this thing and the emblem and whatnot. I think it looks slick, nice and slim, and not super bulky like the old one. Feel free to comment down below what your truck looks like and the things you've done to your truck. And now let's go ahead and jump into the back, and then we'll jump inside the truck as well. Before we jump over to the back though, as we're walking, you'll notice I have done a blackout theme to this truck. I blacked out my mirror turn signal there. And I hope maybe some of you guys look at this video, see what I've done to my truck, and pick up a few things that you like and do it to your truck as well. I'll leave every product that I've installed on this truck down in the comments down below. Feel free to check it out. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Let's head into the back of the truck. So doing your best to ignore the stuff in the bed of the truck. As I was getting up here, that pocket fell up and spilled some stuff out. Anyway, we're here for the tail lights. Check these out. These I also grabbed from Tacoma Beast. You'll see that install video, but these are super nice. Obviously, I don't really see them that much, but I get comments all the time in parking lots and people behind me, driving behind me, saying that they really like the look of my taillights, where I got them, and that makes me feel good that other people appreciate the look of these taillights just like I do. And that's all I've really done to the back of this truck to make it look different. The steel bumper, the aftermarket bumper down there, was already on this truck when I bought it. I bought this truck pre-owned. So let's go ahead and jump into the interior. We're gonna go ahead and get the interior things that I've done to this truck out of the way. We'll make this quick for you guys so I don't bore you. Let's do it. So starting over here on the passenger side, the things that I've done to personalize my Tacoma, starting with the glove box in here, you'll see this organizer. Organizes all my stuff. It's super awesome, super helpful. I've also done an LED interior lighting. That LED interior lighting kit that I bought, super awesome. Way better than the factory lights that were originally in this thing. A lot brighter, super helpful when I'm grabbing stuff out of here with my kid and when we get home late, things like that. I'm sure you'll notice that is not something to personalize my truck. We're gonna get this windshield replaced, make a video on it. Sadly, I have cracked my windshield. It's unfortunate. And to go along with the organization in my glove box and the lighting, I've also got this awesome cup holder that has these arms that come out. So you can have like big cups in there, small water bottles and things like that. This cup holder's been pretty cool. I use it quite a bit actually. And now jumping into the rear of my truck. This is cheap paracord and knots that I tied myself. This isn't the one that I usually throw in here, but me and my friend, we do a lot of hunting and we have finagled a way to hold our guns up here to save a little bit of space on my seats. Obviously, when we go hunting, we don't have the car seat holder in there, but to save some space on the seats here and down on the floor, We finagled, jimmy rigged our own little system with nuts and loops to hold our guns and other things like my backpack up on the headrest as well. And that just helps us put a lot more things in here. It personalizes the truck, right? It puts my guns where I need them to fit more space on my seats. I think it's pretty cool. Leave it down in the comments if you guys have something similar, or if you've done something like that. I'd really appreciate it. And now to go over just those little things that I've done to my truck. Starting back here in the bed, we've got these tie down anchor points, as well as those bad boys right there, the quick fist. I absolutely love the quick fist attachment on the bed rail for the Tacoma. It holds my shovel. You can also hold like a tall jack and an axe or anything like that on there. A lot of people use those on their bed racks. I think it's awesome that the Tacoma has a bed rail to do those in there. But just those little things like that, the tie down anchors and the quick fist in the back of the truck, and those cool installations and mods that I've done to this truck so far to fit my needs have been super, super fun and help me grow this channel and show you guys cool videos to go along with it. So I really appreciate your guys' support watching this, subscribing and liking the video. Again, feel free to comment down below what your truck looks like and the things you've done to it, and maybe some suggestions on what I should do to my Tacoma. Be sure to check out all those videos down in the description below. I really, really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. We'll see you guys in the next one.